Hey guys, what's going on? So this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to add more space in the work experience section. Okay, I'm gonna first to remove some education right. Okay, right here. Okay, now I'm going to select all the education portion of the education section like that. Okay, there is something not good. Okay, like that. Push this to the back. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, it's nice. No, this one. All I'm doing here is selecting everything by holding the shift key on the keyboard and selecting every element with the cursor of the mouse like that, and push all this element a bit down. Okay, it's good. Now all you have to do is select these elements. You can group them if you want to move them easily. Okay, so now just copy paste operation, copy and paste. Okay, and just align it. Okay, I'm using the arrow keys and push it down a bit. Okay, and you can add as many section as you want. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and see you another time.